Hey everyone! Now Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so if you're struggling to find something to bring to your next family get-together, look no further because I have 3 delicious dip recipes that are sure to wow all of your guests. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, we are going to make a spinach and artichoke dip. So to start, we will add 1.5 cups of chopped artichoke hearts and 1 cup of cooked spinach into a bowl. We can also add a half cup of chopped water chestnuts and a half cup of grated parmesan. To this, we are going to add a half cup of both mayonnaise and sour cream and 1 block of cream cheese. Mix thoroughly before remembering you forgot to add the 2 cloves of minced garlic, and also season to taste with salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes to add a nice bit of flavor. Once everything is mixed, transfer the mixture into a baking dish and spread it out evenly. Pie dishes and tart pans work great for this, but any flattish oven-safe dish will do. Then go ahead and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes or until the top becomes brown and crispy. For our second dip, we will be making a sweet Vidalia onion dip. So we can begin by thinly slicing 1 whole sweet Vidalia onion and placing it into a bowl. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of both mayonnaise and sour cream. Then we can add 1 cup of grated white cheddar, a half cup of parmesan, and a half cup of mozzarella. Then, just season to taste with some salt and pepper. You can also add a couple shots of hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce to add some more flavor to this dip and bring it to the next level. Then just mix everything up and place it into another baking dish before baking again at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. For our last dip, we have something a bit fancier if you want to score some extra points at your next family get-together, a delicious baked brie. To start, we will mince up 4 to 6 cloves of garlic and place it aside. Next comes the star of our dish, a 20-ounce wheel of brie. You can also make this recipe with different sizes of brie, just make sure to scale the amount of topping accordingly. So we are going to place the whole wheel of brie into a dish and make a couple scores across the top of the brie. This will allow some of the topping to seep inside the brie and give it even more flavor. Now to make our topping, we will start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and to that we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Mix that together thoroughly and then add around a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Now pour the mixture over your brie and artfully place on your minced garlic. Garnish with a couple sprigs of thyme and a light drizzle of olive oil, and now it's ready to be put in the oven at 375 degrees for around 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted all the way through. Now we can't make all these dips and have nothing to dip in them, so we are going to make some easy and delicious crostinis. For this, we need to cut a baguette into around 1/4 inch thick slices and lay them out on a baking tray. Brush them lightly with olive oil before putting them in the oven at 450 degrees or until they start to brown. You can also use the broil setting on your oven if you have it. Now be careful, these crostinis toast quickly and it's very easy to burn them, so be ready to take them out once they start to darken. Then flip them over, brush them with olive oil again, and toast the other side until brown. That's it! Now you have some delicious crostinis to act as a vessel for all of your delicious dips. So let's take a look at that now, shall we? So today we made 3 kinds of dips. These dips would be a perfect addition to any family gathering or holiday get-together, and with the holiday season approaching fast, I hope you have the opportunity to include some of them in your holiday menus. Just make sure to let your dips cool before you dig in. With that being said, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and consider sharing it with your friends. As always, I have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box below, and if you end up trying any of these recipes, let me know how it goes. Otherwise, stay tuned and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!